Hey everyone, it's Adam. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how I cobbled together a music stand MacGyver style for my kid. So he's been learning music the past several years, starting with the recorder and the trumpet in elementary school. And now he's learning the piano and the ukulele. And the other day he asked me if I could get him a music stand. So I had to look at what a music stand is made out of, and I found that it has several components. There's some type of base, like a tripod-like base. There's an adjustable column for raising the stand up and down. There's a desk tray with a lip for holding the music book or sheets. There's a mounting bracket for attaching the tray to the stand. And finally, there are various adjustment knobs and clamps for adjusting the tilt of the tray on the stand. So let's go over each of these items and see what I used to MacGyver my own music stand out of parts I already had in my house. Starting with the base with the adjustable column. Now, I don't do much photography these days, but I still have a lot of gear, including light stands. And one of the reasons why I didn't want to buy a music stand from, say, Amazon was that they all came with a light stand, and I certainly don't need any more light stands in the house. Next, the desk tray with the lip. So the tray in music stands is typically made out of metal or plastic. And on the back, there's some type of slot in which the mounting bracket slides in. And the mounting bracket then attaches to the stand and allows the tray to tilt up and down. So I looked long and hard for something that would be a suitable replacement for this music desk tray with a lip. And I found it in this Rain Design iLap aluminum laptop stand. Now I've had this thing for several years now. Modern laptops are relatively cool, but in the past, laptops got very warm. So you put the laptop on here and then put this on your lap, and then your lap is cool, and then you can type on your laptop. Now, as you can see, the Rain Design logo is right smack dab in the middle of the aluminum tray. If we flip it upside down, we see that it has this little base here and a lip. And so I thought, what if I got a piece of cardboard like this, and I could place it underneath this lip here and base like this. And now I have my desk tray with the lip. So the next thing I needed to figure out was how to get this iLap connected to the light stand. So as part of my lighting gear, I have several flash mount, swivel head, and umbrella holder adapters. Something like this. And this would provide the tilt angle that I need to adjust the desk tray, whether the kid is seated or standing. Now, to attach the iLap to this adapter, I had these flash mount adapters, things like look like this, with these little thumb screw quick release screws. So I unscrewed one of these circular plates here from here, like that. And then I screwed this on top of the tilt adapter. It's nice and tight like that. And now what I could do with the iLap is I could place it, I place it like this, and all I had to do now is screw in this circular piece like this. So I'm going to do that right now. Probably use some washers here to make it a little tighter. It doesn't scratch the aluminum, but do it like that. And now we can see the iLap like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cardboard slot like that. And now we have my desk tray. And you can see the adapter here will just plug right into the light stand like this, and I'm done. And voila, there's my very own MacGyver style music stand that I cobbled together from various parts around the house for my kid. I'm happy to report that he has officially approved this product and will be using it whenever he practices music in the house. Now, longtime viewers of this channel might note that I'm not just talking about development stuff. I'm diversifying my kind of the things that I talk about in this channel. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have kids, maybe you can come up with some MacGyver-like solutions for things you want around the house. And if you're new to this channel, be sure to like and subscribe. Until the next video, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.